Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Umukobwa wanyu Mwiza. Uno munsi tukaba tubazaniye ikindi kiganiro, tukaba turi kumwe n'umuhungu wacu
Micson the soldier.
Micson the soldier. Yeah. Turamwishimiye cyane kubaje ku kiganiro cya Mwiza nko tugira ngo mbasuhuza aho muri hose, aho muherereye hose, mbifuriza ibihe byiza n'intuze n'amahoro. Umunsi mwiza, ijoro ryiza, aho uri hose ukorera kare kiganiro nk'iki. Ya twifurije
November.
Noheli nziza?
No, I say Halloween.
Halloween nziza? Yes. Abanyarwanda
Friday.
No, nzi ko ari Friday, ariko bari kutukumva ntabwo bajya ba celebrating ntuzi.
Most of them do. I mean, they know about it though. I'm just saying.
Oh yeah, Halloween nziza.
No, that's such
Did you dress up?
Huh?
Did you dress up Friday?
No, I was at work. I went to work.
He's an adult.
I'm an adult, so I have responsibilities.
No, abantu zaba nephew n'aba niece.
My sisters, I think they kind of went to I don't remember. What is the house called?
Trick-or-treating.
No, the house, the scaring house.
A haunting house.
Haunted house.
Haunted house.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not really into those kind of holidays and stuff.
Yeah.
Halloween and all.
No, ntabwo ujya wizihiriza abantu bapfuye.
No.
Siki Halloween isibereho?
No, I mean, maybe right here in the US.
Yeah.
Really?
Halloween is for the dead.
I didn't know. People makes it more of a scared.
Yeah, no, who's scary than people who are dead.
Ariko nyine they don't really ntago bajya batuma nyine biba nk'ibyo abantu bapfuye.
That's what Halloween is.
Weird.
Yeah.
Muri Mexico nabo babyizihiza gutyo kubera ya movie yitwa ngo ni bari Coco. Sinzi warayirebye. So ngo bajya bafata amafoto y'abantu babo bapfuye ngo bakashyira ngo niba ari kuri somewhere on the table bagacana ngo za bougie.
Yeah.
Noneho ngo abantu babo bapfuye ngo bakagaruka bakaza kubana nabo. In a spirit way, you know. Yeah. So
there is that, and yuko like no mo yandi ma culture abantu bajya bagenda bajya bagaburira abantu babo bapfuye cyangwa bakabibuka ukuntu.
Bakagaburira abantu babo.
Did you watch Mulan?
No.
The movie Mulan?
I didn't watch it.
No? Okay. So the whole thing about ancestors, like in shrines, most other cultures have shrines.
Yeah.
And baka harimo nk'intuza nk'ibintu by'aba ancestors zabo yababanjirira ku banyogokuru abantu bo muri famille bagiye bapfa. Noneho like you go in there and then bring them like food related to them.
Oh, okay.
Like fruits or ibintu bakundaga. And then kabuzi ukabari uri kubikorera, like honoring them.
So if there is like a great grandpa, somebody I don't even know, how would I know the food they like? Do they like pass on the information?
But you have your father.
So you're passing on the information down the generation?
Yeah, your father, niba hari grandfather wawe, your father or your mom knows what they like.
Oh.
Yeah. So when you doing ancestral rites for them, urukugira, urukubahereza. Yeah, it's like remembering them.
I mean, I feel like kurwana henshi ko natwe muri yenda umukatolike. So mu bakatolike ukwezi kwa 11 ni ukwezi tuzirikana abantu batakiri kumwe natwe.
Ukwezi kwa 11 ukwezi kwazo. So it's the same as the Halloween.
Tuzirikana abantu batakiri kumwe natwe, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just started.
Oh. Anyways, anybody wari enjoying the Halloween, imani ikomeze kubarinda, sibyo? I hope you had a great time trick-or-treating. Kubera nzi yuko like abana batoya especially bari kurezinga hano bajya babyizihiriza. Cyangwa bashaka kugenda ku nzu n'indi trick-or-treat bangiza akagenda bakabahereza candy for the candy.
Some parents don't like it.
Yeah.
They're like, don't bring those devil's candy in my house. Don't. You know, African parents. Yeah.
Hariho n'intuza nayindi kugira ngo nkubaze like how have you been? Kubera kuri channel yaje dusa nkaho twakurikiye what you were doing for the past couple weeks.
Yeah.
No, couple months, years. The last time you were on our channel indirectly. The last time you were there, wari proposing kumugore wawe right now,
right,
to the love of your life, and then
We did a wedding vlog.
Yeah, and then we did a wedding vlog too, so bamenye ko igihe washingiriwe, right?
Yashingiwe se?
Baracikiye? No.
I guess.
Bavuga ngo
I guess.
no nta so
I guess
gushingirwa.
narashingiwe. I feel like bivuga ku bakobwa. I don't know.
None abahungu bakavuga ngo iki?
Umukobwa baramushyingira.
Warashatse.
No, warashatse cyangwa se mu kinyarwanda cyiza warasohoje.
Wararonse.
Abivuge ibyo uriye kuvuga ndabizi ariko it's okay. I know what you're about to say, man.
Okay, so mu kinyarwanda cyiza yarashatse. Tabifuriza urwo rushya ruhire. Is that something that changed you?
Yeah, that's something that changed me. Yeah. Of course. Mfite inshingano zitandukanye n'izo nari mfite mbere yabyo. So, yeah, of course.
You happier?
I'm happier, I'm peaceful.
You're peaceful. Wait.
Yeah, trust me.
Ukiri wanyu
There's a
nta
big
peace
change.
wageraga.
I mean,
I don't think
nkiri mu rugo hari ukuntu umuntu nyine ndababanye na ba sister we n'ibiki nyine mubanye by'ubusazi. Ariko ubu ngubu
baza baje kugusura
baza mu rugo bakaza kunsura bagataha. No, ikindi hari ibintu nyine wenda uwo turi kumwe amfasha wenda mu rugo bitashobokaga, you know. Yeah, so yeah, of course there's a big change.
Yeah, there's a big change. You're happier.
Don't ask me what it is.
Oh yeah. Ibyo abantu bashatse nta byinjiramo, right?
I like that.
Hari segment yo cyagiye dutangira ikiganiro cyacu yitwa ko sharing is caring, kugira ngo Mwiza atubwira akantu ko yabonye kuri social media akavuga ati kano kantu karanshimishije karansekeje cyangwa se karambabaje, nyine ikintu gituma asubirayo, gituma asubira kuri neza
kumbuga. Okay, hari akavido kansekeje nakabonye kuri Instagram, nkabona no kuri TikTok. Hari ukuntu bajama, I think ni abaganda bari nk'abajama 4 cyangwa 5 gutyo, haba handitseho ngo iyo umukongomani ari gukubita ingoma mu rusengero. So it's like nk'indirimbo mbese y'abanyagatolika nyine, you know, like urabona bisanzwe ko ari kuririmba none akajya hazamo n'izo ngoma. Abajama bari muri korali sanzwe izo ngoma zazamo bagaceza nyine bitandukanye n'ibyo bakora mu rusengero, you know what I'm saying? It's very funny. Mbese you know bagahita bamera nk'abibagiwe yuko bari mu rusengero. So it's very funny. Naizo nkoreza sister kugira nzankareba tiwe nawe njye nkareba. Akase cyane.
We no kubera uri muri korali nawe niyo mpamvu kagusekeje cyane ukavuga ati relatable. Kandi ukaburi muri ntuza, kandi ukaburi muri korali abambe ukaba uri umukongomani.
Yeah, wasanga nyine, but it's kind of funny uburyo nyine umuntu kumva ingoma byo, hari abantu bakunda kubyina byatari bakunda umuziki. So kumva ingoma byonyine bigahita bimwibagiza yuko mbese ari mu rusengero agatangira guceza bitandukanye n'ibyakora mu rusengero, no saying.
Icyo gihe
I feel like it's funny.
Icyo gihe barageze, icyo gihe babonye the right combination,
I guess.
Ibyo bintu ni ibintu bituma abantu badasiba muri korali.
Actually, you're right. You're right.
Iyo ufite ibintu bigushimisha nk'uriki
mu rusengero, you know, something you're doing that makes you happy. Yeah.
None so what you been up to?
Well,
besides
nothing.
All the changes.
Nothing crazy. Yeah, I'm ready back to work, you know. Nanze gufata iminsi myinshi ya vacation. Because I'm planning a trip mu kwezi gutaha. So that's when I'm gonna take my, you know,
a trip out of the country?
Yeah. Out of the country.
Rwanda.
I don't know if I want to share that, but hamwe muri aho.
None, you have a new song kuri YouTube.
Umugisha niyo ndirimbo iherukaho. Yeah, imaze 2 months. Yeah, niyo ndirimbo nshyashya mfite.
Do you have any more music coming out?
Of course.
I
do. Yeah, soon hari iyo ndi gufinishinga ubu ngubu. Ntabwo navuga izina ryayo.
Collabo?
No, it's not collab. Ni ngiye gusa.
Ni wowe gusa.
Yeah, ariko mfite n'izindi za collab zihari.
Yeah.
Actually nk'eshatu zararangiye. Ariko nyine ntago zirasohoka.
Ntago mwari mwazi ko amashusho cyangwa.
Ari mfite nyina Rusine ya ntago zakorerwa amashusho.
Ntago zizakoreshwa amashusho.
Ntago zakorerwa amashusho.
Okay.
Yeah.
So nicyo turendiye.
Ubwo buri gihe kimwe wenda nimpuguka no mujama gahuguka tuzasora n'izindi ndirimbo nyinshi.
Okay.
Cause zirahari pe. I love music, so ntabwo bwapfa kwira nageze muri studio. Kandi nyine ugezemo you have to do something. Can't just
Who is your biggest music inspiration? Naguryo nk'umuntu I could say they make a difference or motivate you kugira ngo ukomeze gukora indirimbo. Like you have almost 8 years of experience.
Actually, I can't say ngo ari umuntu wabigize. Ni kwa kundi nyine okay abajama bamwe bakunda imipira naye ndabakunda ariko ngiye nakunda umuziki cyane kuva kera kuva nkiri mutoya hakiri bya bindi bya competition nga Dream Boys na Urban Boys hano kera sizigihe sinzi nawe wabimenye
no ndabizi guma
hari za guma hari na za guma icyo gihe nakunda umuziki ku buryo hari radio nkumva ibiganiro by'abahanzi byose kari byo bintu numva avuga ngo wishi ko nanjye nazakora umuziki nyine ngukunda gutyo usibye ko I don't know nyine nawukunze just like that. So rero ntago nigeze gukora muri Afrika ariko nawukoze ngeze no hano muri Texas.
Ubonye uburyo bwo gukora nibwo watangiye gukora.
No nkozi ya mbere mbonye ukuntu abantu bayakiriye. I was like wow. I would do more. That's just what motivates me, kubona abantu bese bafite ukuntu reacting kuri arts zomba nakoze.
Ufite one of the things that you do is produce music. Ni ibintu byo when you started to produce your own music what was the reason? No kubera nta muntu wari uhari wo kugira producing a music yawe cyangwa you wanted your own sound kind of thing?
Well, it's a little bit of both actually. So my first song yakozwe n'umujama, my first 2 songs n'umujama w'umukongomani wazikoze yitwa Maurice. Maurice. You know him?
Yeah, mujya kunoza si mukuru?
Ntabwo ari mukuru cyane n'umujama twari twigana nyine he's like my age.
Okay. I don't think I know him ntabwo munsi.
So he no Congolese bamwe bitwa ababembe. Ababembe. You guys know them? So yakoze indirimbo zanjye ebyiri za mbere nikorana video yemwe indirimbo imwe muri izo zombi actually zombi yazikoreye amashusho so uwo mujama rero niwe wakoze indirimbo zombi ariko bigeze nyuma nkabona nyine nawe ari busy that was like turi gusoza high school icyo gihe umuntu asoje high school nibwo ugeze mu buzima
ubwo buzima busa nkaho ubwibagiweho gatoya ugakomeza
so bisa naho twabaye shocked n'ubuzima bwo hanze ya high school and then that's when nyuma ya high school yahise abo umuntu nyine uri busy ntaboneke cyangwa se ugasanga ari mu zindi gahunda wenda college cyangwa se n'akazi and then mbonye nyine bitari gushoboka mbona ndamutse nkomeje kumwishingikirizaho I will not be able to make music. I will just stop. I will just quit. So I was like instead of me quitting nakundaga gucuranga cyane nkunda ibikoresho cyitwa piano mu bikoresho bya music cyane niyo nkunda cyane kurusha na za gitari buriya gitari yarananiye ariko piano ndayikunda byataye so navuze ngo let me try. And then I took some lessons, a few lessons, the songs using YouTube and stuff. And then I made my first song.
By yourself?
Yeah, and without any other help, and it was good.
It is on
YouTube. It is on YouTube. Black is Beauty.
Black is Beauty.
That's the first song nakoze.
Nice.
Hari izindi nagiye nkora nyine za hip hop mbere. Harimo ebyiri zo nakoze zanjye. Ebyiri za hip hop. ngakora beat nka recordinga nka mixing nka masteringa you know but I was still learning ariko nyine uko iminsi igenda yicuma na quality igenda ihinduka burya ntakazaga umuntu kubwira ngo yaragize ngo afite quality y'umuziki bazi quality y'umuziki umuziki nyine uri improving every day
ni nk'ibintu just like most of the time because uko ugenda uba ushobora uko ugenda ubona experience y'ibyo uri gukora the more you improve and more creative and more almost easy. I wouldn't say easy, but more curious you get kugira ngo trying get something new. Cyangwa trying something differently.
Something new, yes. We got trying like new instruments, new plugins. It's a lot of stuff in music production. Yeah, kuko nta n'umuntu waza ngo kubwire ngo mbese ngo uri gukora project ya music how do you know ko yarangiye? You don't know.
Sometimes
no, you have to abandon it because there's always something to do. Even if it sounds perfect to you, there is always something you can go back and adjust and fix. You can never finish a song. You have to abandon it.
So, hari aho ugera ukavuga ati this is good enough for now.
It cannot be good. Okay. It can be good enough to release. But it cannot be, it cannot be finished. You know
never perfect.
It just can't be finished. Even if it's perfect, it can't be finished. Okay, then it can't be perfect.
Okay.
Because it cannot be finished.
Kandi ntayikumenya kumva neza. Kuburangije ukavuga ati it can be released but it's not finished. Ntago indinge niyo ntayindi kumva neza bandi kuvuga ati there's always something you can change. You can improve on it.
Yes.
Is that something you go through? You kureba indirimbo zo warangije mbere like zo watangiriye or do you say kuba aho narindi cyo gihe it's good enough
for like
aho naringeze like
niba today like
from today kubera urukumva indirimbo ukayumva ni yawe ukavuga ati wenda iwana koze less differently.
Yes, There's always,
it's never finished.
Yes. Because you cannot finish a project in the ufite kuyabandoninga nyine ufite kuvuga ati well I'm done with this. This is enough, I'm okay with this. So rero iyo bigeze nyuma wenda ukayumva ukavuga uti okay hano wenda ndi kumva hari ukuntu byari kuba better, then you try the next song, which is why project zitageze sa and ntabwo wakora project kimwe. There's always something new on each project.
Okay. What is the best way to make music to you? Is it making music for yourself? Cyangwa se ukunda making music for someone else? Because mwembi mufite like ntuza mpamvu nkubajije icyo ngicyo kubera akenshi niba uri gukorera umuntu ikintu kenshi mufite ntuza vision zigiye zitandukanye. Sibyo? What do you think is easier or better to do? Like where do you get most of,
Well, I feel like gukora music, I was about to say nobody makes music like another. Kubera ko nyine abahanzi batandukanye. Hari umuhanzi uza muri studio akakubwira ati nshaka ibintu bimeze gutya. Akakubwira instruments udashaka gukoresha, nshaka ko wanushyiraho gitari, drums zimeze gutya kandi. Akakubwira ati curanga akaba yana bivuga mu kanwa nyine akabiririmba, akakubwira ati curanga akantu kameze nka gutya. And then ukagacuranga again, he's like that's good. Ongeraho nibi. Bese akaba yakuguidinga akakubwira ukuntu ukora beat we yifuza. Hari abantu bameze gutya n'umuntu uza akavuga ati nta beat ufite, and then if you have a beat ukazicuranga akavuga ati I love this one, and agahita yandika agahita ikodinga ako kanya, cyangwa se akazi indirimbo yanditse agagusaba beat agahita ashaka melody nyine mugafatanya kuyishaka aho ngaho indirimbo igakorwa. Ariko to you're doing everything by yourself. You're gonna make the beat from your own ideas, write a song from your own idea, and then find a melody from your own ideas.
So is that more creative? Do you like the fact it's more creative freedom?
Yes.
Or cyangwa se ufite kuba uri gukorana n'undi muntu hakaba hari izindi ntoza idea how bashaka gukora indirimbo yabo uko bashaka ntoza sound kugenda like vibe yuko bashaka indirimbo yabo kuba imeze, does that give you more of ziko that's really good, and this is not a direction I will have went in but it still works, I'm learning to work with this.
Yeah, I like doing music of my own music.
Your own music?
Yes, I like it more just because it gives me the freedom to create something. Something I wouldn't try on anyone else's project.
So niba trying ikintu, you have a reason for trying it.
Yes, because if I try something new on somebody else's project and maybe it doesn't go as they wanted it to go, they're gonna be like, oh, so it was your first time trying this? Why did you try my music? Why? So I wouldn't do that.
Sabotage.
Yeah, but if I do it on my own project, and then it sounds good, and then I know that I can do it on somebody else's project, and they're gonna like it. Or I can just ask them first, be like, how do you feel about this instrument? How do you feel about this effect?
Okay.
And then
do you see yourself working with other producers, like to make your own music, or is this something you are
working with?
Other producers
on my own music, or
on your own music, like kavuga ati nkuno muntu ndamwemera cyane, like dukoranye akankorera ntoza akamproducingira, I will make that song, like that would be a feature.
Of course. I do producer ntekeza
nk'aba producer bo wemera ukavuga ati I want to work with them someday.
Producer navuga wananyinspiriye nyine somehow a little bit, yitwa Nox, no mu Rwanda, of course. Nox beat. Nox wenyine afite ukuntu nyine agira umwihariko wenyine mu buryo akora drums na bass, afite umwihariko wabyumva nyine from the music, muri music akora. Undi subwo ninde na Leclick nuko nyine ndumva atabiteka cyane nka mbere, ariko I like how Leclick yakoraga music kuva kera, Leclick urano umuntu twamenye kuva kera, ba Meddy bakiza na ba Debeni, so I like after touch nawe imeze ukuntu nziza nkunda tu. Navuga ko bombi nibo ba producer, njya ntekereza nyine nka ndakora producer bakora ibintu byiza mbese kandi bifite umwihariko.
Right now to your current Noza studio, is there something you're looking forward to add? Cyangwa you've built it to a point where nta kintu kikeneye kongera?
For right now ahantu iri akugira ngo nadinge ahubwo improving, you know what I mean, right? Like karite wenda y'ibikoresho nkoresha, let's say microphone. That's just what I'm looking forward to. Kuko microphone ziratandukanye. Hari microphone ushobora kugura ukayigura $50, hari n'ushobora kugura ukayigura $30K.
Kugira ngo ugure ntuze microphone $30,000.
No, I'm not saying ngo niyo nshaka.
Oh my god.
Ariko think about between $50 and $30K. It's like a big difference. It's a big gap. So I just wanna, I'm not trying to buy $30K microphone, but at least muhagati ntabwo abamo mikoro nakumva.
Is that the thing you want to improve on? Like was that microphone or mixing board? Sound.
Well, I don't need mixing. Okay.
No.
Mixing is good. But right now aho ntuza ya music igeze, mixing akenshi ikoreshwa muri live music. Naho muri studio
they call mixing, but I don't know what that is. I don't even know what that does.
Mixing ni iriya nini biriho a lot of knobs. Things, So iriya muri studio is not really a big deal right now.
Okay.
It's not something that's really needed. Like it's not a basic need. Because we fit virtually. Muri software.
Okay.
It is virtual.
Okay.
So it's not basic.
Okay, so
not
that's not a bit. Okay. So nko kuri nzo kuri machine yawe imwe nabonye ikoresha, that's the
mixer irimo
is ni nka part ya ntuzi. Yeah, software.
Inkoresha, yes.
Okay. Oh, nice. Are you open to do another song with us?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Well, I was listening to that song.
Yeah.
I'll be honest with you, that's one of my favorite songs of all the time. I like how it reminds a lot of varieties of sounds. It's nice. I like it. I love it. Trust me.
Maybe it costs spending a
little. You open to make another song with me?
No. Maybe it costs spending more time turi gukora nk'intuza turi nko kuri recording no kwandika indirimbo.
What would you say about that one we made?
No, ndayikunda.
Is there something?
Waranabibonye.
You listen to it, right?
Yeah.
Is there something you wish we could have done better?
Yeah, like we can do the writing better, and we can also record.
Right.
Like have more practice before we start recording.
Yeah. That day it was like kind of fast, and we didn't really sit down.
Really fast.
It's still a good project, honestly. I love it.
No, the way byabaye bikaba, sibyo ko twabivuze bigakorwa bikaba. That was that was the funnest part. For some reason, buri cyose iyo nyumvishije nyarumva nyikunze kurushaho.
It's a beautiful song.
Yeah, it's a very good song.
I like to listen to it. I don't know. And he has some parts that are really interesting and well, they need to go check it out. They could page it on YouTube. Rusine ni indirimbo yanjye na Micson na Rusine hamwe na Mutesi. Abo bose nawe muzi kuri YouTube. Yeah. It's 4 people in one song, guys. It's amazing.
Yeah. Kwanayikorera na video twese dusa neza.
Agora dusa neza. Yeah, we do. We look good. We were dancing and stuff.
Yeah,
niko kanje. Yeah, ira ndirimbo ni nziza cyane.
Imeze neza. Twabivuze kare, buno warashatse ubuzima bwawe bwarahindutse. There was some adjustment, sibyo?
Yes.
What is something that you found out about yourself recently that you didn't know before? Ukumva yuko kuba washatse, kuba warateye intambwe ari ikintu cyabigufashije kugira ubumenyi.
Well, okay. I wouldn't say ngo ari ikintu navuga nanoresinze nyuma ko nshatse.
Uracyari wa wundi?
Kubera ko of course I'm not.
Yeah.
Tayiro navuga ko yahindutse.
Yeah.
Ariko honestly njyewe nabanye nawe for like twari dukundana for like 5 years.
Okay.
For 5 years. And then we got married. So
natangiriye gukundanira hano?
Yes, muri 2020.
Damn. For some reason I thought that was longer. Mumaze muri Amerika igihe kingana iki?
Well, 11 years.
11 years?
Yes. We came in 2014.
To me, my impression yari uko mwagize mwakundanye mukiri mu Rwanda.
What?
Ntabwo mwari muziranye? Mwamenyaniye hano cyangwa mwari muziranye?
Whereas famille yanjye ariko ntabwo nari muzi.
Oh.
Because she used to go to my church, so she knew almost everybody in my family, but I didn't know her.
So wamumenyere hano muri Amerika?
Muri Texas, muri Houston specifically. Yes.
Bari batuye Houston?
No. Yari yaje mu bukwe.
Ubukwe buzagakora.
She came to a wedding. So we met at the place where our wedding, happened. Yeah, that's where we met the first time.
Nuko bwa kitoko?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, how do you know?
None hariya ni, I think ni wowe wa mbere wahagize. Wakoresheje rasara ari kugira.
Really?
Yeah. I think ni wowe wa mbere wahagize. Kuko abandi bose bajya kubukorera kuri Bisonet.
Oh, wasanga.
Noneho abantu bose barabikunda kubera ariyo ni nko mu mbere y'inzu, nta cyo kujya kure, ni hafi, abataha barataha bakirute. Noneho hariho nta nubwo I think bakwemera kugira ku rentinga at the end of the night, after midnight. Kuri business akenshi twajyaga birangira, and then after midnight yaza ugasanga bari gusohora abantu.
Oh, hariho ni saa saba.
Yeah.
Saa saba, that's when it's over. Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, byari mu kubwa Kitoko. Ntabwo nzi Kitoko rero ko hari uko bwa mbere.
Niwe?
And then ariho dukora no here.
It's a circle moment.
I guess.
Yeah. Oh. So okay.
So rero wenda kubana nawe impamvu ngiye nanjye natekereza ko wenda nzabona impinduka nini. But I didn't really see any because twabanye nk'abantu nyine nk'ukuntu wajya mu nzu ukabana n'umu best friend wawe. Numvisha ari bisanzwe for like a while. Till now mbona numva nyine is like living with a best friend.
Yeah. Till now ntago wachaanza ku adjusting too much.
Not really.
It's very kind of natural.
No. Yeah, it just went on naturally. I didn't have to change anything on myself.
Yeah.
Of course I changed location. Ntabwo nkibaho nabaga mbere. Ntabwo nkibana n'ababyeyi. Ariko nyine you know, there's no big changes.
Hari igihe waba uri kuva ku kazi muri ino minsi ishize ukisanga uri kujya iwanyu wayobye uri kutaha iwanyu isire yo kuntuza y'iwawe.
I was actually kind of worried about it because what I'm getting it happened. But the good thing is that I can't go to my parents' house without passing where I live right now. Yeah, so because Kukazi is like, it used to be like, it's actually 30 minutes from my parents' house, but it's only like 10 minutes from where I live right now. It's really close. So I can't imagine, I just can't find myself going to my parents' house. It never happened.
And like a city away.
Exactly.
I was away now.
She can't. So because I'm like, oh, actually I live there.
Actually, yeah. Must mean to talk and then you go. That's nice. Okay, Nane. Like, what skills do you have that you think is gonna make you rich? Do you have like a skill, cyangwa se a business idea utangaza yuko yazakugira umukire?
Well, ndo umukene guys.
Okay. Icyo kibazo cyo warakigize?
Anyway, I'm not poor. Anyway, I'm just saying though.
Yeah.
I can't tell you there is something. I can't.
So
if I don't become rich by making music, maybe production or singing is not really. It's not something I think that it can really change my life in a really big way.
Well, ku bantu baturutse iwacu ntuza kuririmba, especially nk'abantu baririmba indirimbo z'Imana, byabeshaho abantu.
Yes, it may.
Abasitara barenze.
Njya mbona nabwo kugira bishoboke nabwo kiretse amakorari. Hari abantu babishyira hamwe bakabakorari bakajya baririmba bakongera bagashyira kuri YouTube. Maybe bo byabafasha. Ariko still, if you really understand, ntago avuga ari skill yuko watega kuzaba ntuza rich. Iyo korari yinjiza wenda ku ndirimbo ibona mbese nkuko yaba ari umuntu nkuru kuyinjiza.
None ukuvuga yuko nta business sense ufite, nta business watangira ku buryo wavuga ngo izagukiza. Cyangwa mu bijyanye na business umugore wawe
I can say music production.
Okay, so that's the skill. Business wise, umugore wawe ntuzabikora.
No, I can still make it too. I mean, I just don't have something right now to share,
Okay.
About,
Njyewe icyo ndi kugira ngo nkore ni ukubwira ati, vuga ati, okay, these are some ideas z'abantu bagira, especially abantu bakiri bo mu rungano sibyo abantu bakuze ariko batavuga ngo barashaje ibintu bijyanye n'inzozi zo bagira ibintu by'ibitekerezo bagira byo kugira ngo biteze imbere so niba uri umuntu udukurikiye nawe ukaba ufite ibyo bitekerezo byarakujemo wakumva undi muntu ubivuze ukavuga ati you know I'm not crazy for thinking that
iki nize gutekereza nize gutekereza gufata training yo kogosha
okay
because even right now I used to cut my brother's hair before he went into the army. I used to cut his hair and it would be good. He would love it. He would like it. Yeah. I used to cut his hair and some other people's hair, and they would be like, "Wow, this is nice." And if I look at it myself, I would think I did good.
Okay.
So one day I thought about taking some trainings.
Yeah.
And then start cutting people's hair and maybe
opening a barbershop.
My own barbershop, yes.
Yeah. And have people.
And she likes to braid hair, maybe have some braid.
Yeah.
Braid. Do your, generational products like Produit and stuff.
Yeah.
That's something I really thought about it. And I talked to this guy about it. He's a business guy. He's kind of rich. I talked to him about it. He was like, that would be a really good idea. And he told me it wouldn't even cost a lot of money to get started. But maybe I'll take like a year working in somebody else's barbershop and then start mine before I can, do that. Yeah. But that's something to thought about.
And
if not music, maybe that.
No, music, I don't think there's gonna be a moment where it's not music. Kubera ukunda gukora indirimbo cyane ari ibintu byo it's a hobby. It's something you do on the side.
Okay, yeah, it's a hobby.
Yeah. So ntago nenda gutekereza yuko if it's not music, but anyways, that's why nshaka kuzajya mbaza icyo kibazo. Ikindi kintu nari kugira.
Well, guys, don't steal my business idea.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start a barbershop.
aravuze ku bantu bose bazumva ino ndirimbo nta n'umwe muri mwebwe wemerewe kugira ino ndirimbo kino kiganiro nta n'umwe muri mwe wemerewe kugira kuba umubarber
wewe ndi kureba aho ngaho wicaye
wenda arihengetse ntabwo
yicaye ndabizi ufashe na telefone mu ntoki do not steal my business idea, it's mine.
What does support look like, especially when making art?
Support look like look like comments, first of all.
Yeah.
Somebody give you a comment and tell you, oh, this is good, this is not, you can improve this, you can change this.
Yeah.
And also, support is when they support you. They post your thing,
They share
your thing. They subscribe. All that stuff. Yeah. So that's what support. I wouldn't be like, give me money, give me this. No. At least do that little gist. It's gonna go far. Subscribe or like and give us a comment. Tell us how we're doing. Yeah. We really appreciate it.
hari igihe twagiraga ibirori warangiza ukaduperformingira. Yeah. When do you think your next performance is gonna be? Where do you think your next performance is gonna be at?
My next performance? I really don't know.
Habiri kuza mu mutwe. No umwaka ushize se ukadushyiraho ibirori.
At the end of the year?
Yeah.
You guys don't want to do that anymore.
What do you mean you guys don't want to do it?
You can't plan ibirori without people, There has to be people. Okay. So people nowadays, they look busy. A lot of them are not even in Texas. Some people are moving.
Yeah.
My friend is not here in Texas anymore. He's coming back, I'm just saying. But Rodriguez is not with us. I'm just saying,
Rodriguez is not with us.
What I mean is that a lot of people are not really, they're busy looking for, trying to find money. So I can't tell you when,
Yeah.
Or where?
None byafata iki kugira ngo tubashireho itariki niba barangiza biyemeza bafata iyo weekend off baze.
Byasaba ubushake. Burya hari ubushake ibintu byose
birashoboka. Ubushake bwawe tutegurira ikirori ukaduperformingira cyangwa
ubushake bw'abantu kuba nabo babyitabira bakaba baza it doesn't even have me to be me ngo ndi gutegura ikirori.
But you do have to perform for us.
I can perform. Honestly, I have enough songs now. I can. Even 10 years, 10 songs, I can do it. I could say, is there people? Is there people who want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I want to see, and I'm sure Nanuzana Rodriguez ababonye impamvu yo kugira.
He's going to come back anyway. He's going to come back very soon. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's it like to have pretty privilege?
Privilege.
Yeah, pretty privilege.
Pretty privilege.
Do you believe that exists?
Well, it does. Yeah. It does.
Yeah.
There's this party called Ikiganiro, and then we were just dancing.
Yeah.
And there was this guy who wanted to dance with a girl.
Sorry.
But the girl was like, "No, I don't want to dance. I'm good. I'm tired." And then this other guy was like.
Anyways, pretty privilege iri haga ni itandukanye kuba umukobwa akwemera kubyina nawe cyangwa se akavuga ati ngo wenda rushe.
Yeah, umukobwa ashobora kubwira umujama ati ndarushye. Ndakamubwira ati yeah, let's dance. Bakabyina na yemwe yisanze bameze neza yishimye ari guseka byishimiye. That was just an example. Yeah, but pretty privilege is so cyane because ubundi I don't know. I wouldn't say it's pretty privilege. Ariko haramutse ari nk'abantu babiri bakeneye ubufasha. Most people will go to the prettier one, especially if she's like a girl.
Nihe nama wagira umuntu utari mwiza?
Umuntu utari mwiza? Abantu bose ni beza. Okay, let's face the reality, right? Let's face the reality. At least niba utari mwiza.
Face the reality bimenye.
Iba mwiza ku mutima.
Okay.
Yeah, ariko feel like buri wese aba mwiza. It just goes yiteho ugire confidence.
Okay.
That's all you need.
Get confidence wimenye.
You don't need to be ngo uri mwiza, no.
Nurangiza uzagihereza n'umwanya kugira abantu bamenye yuko uri mwiza ku mutima.
Exactly.
Uzagihereza abantu umwanya wo kugira ngo ujyame.
Bamenye ko uri mwiza ku mutima.
Bamenye ko uri mwiza ku mutima.
I don't know. Okay, I don't know if that's a good advice, but yeah.
Okay, none niye nama wagira abantu buruta.
Abantu buruta.
Tekereza nka Rodrigue. Ninge nama. Murangana. Okay, uruta.
Umuntu uruta. Byaterwa n'inama ashaka, because hari inama muri kategori nyinshi.
Yeah. Okay, turikuvuga ati nk'inama mu buzima cyangwa se inama mu ntuza, inama yo weho ubwawe wavuze ati iki kintu ngikurikije ni ikintu cyanyorohereza ubuzima cyanamfasha kugira ngo mu mibanire y'abandi.
Ikintu cya mbere navuga cyamfashije ni ukumenya ko nobody owes you anything. Umuntu nataguhereza ubufasha.
Yeah.
Ntukazumve ngo urababaye ngo bikwicire umunsi. You just wumva umunsi wawe urarangiye. Okay. Bikuruningira umunsi. No. Umwe nataguha ubufasha undi azawuguhereza. So nta muntu ugomba kumva ko nyine abantu bamenya imideni. Hari igihe umuntu ajya babara akavuga ati wow, uyu muntu namukoreye ibi ngibi ariko we ntiyankorera ibi, cyangwa se gukora ikintu abantu badasapotinga. Hari ibiganiro nabyo byo mu Rwanda nzi iki kintu nzakivugaho. umuhanzi akavuga ati ngo abafana birirwa batwishyuza ngo mbese nko ariko gukora indirimbo bakandi umufana ngo ntiyaguhereza ngo n'amadolari ngo ngahe ngo kugira ngo ujye muri studio ngo ntiyaguhereza ngo na support runaka ngo igufashe kuba wakora iyo ndirimbo yari gusaba. And I'm sitting over there, I'm thinking, I'm like, bah.
Ibitekerezo nk'ibyo ngibyo ntabwo wabyo.
Are you begging? Are you? Yeah. You're ruining your own life.
Yeah. That's being ungrateful.
Niba urakara ngo umuntu ntabwo yaguha ubufasha, noneho especially umuhanzi ngo kubera icyo umufana akubwira ngo ntabwo uri gutanga music ngo kandi ngo nta mafaranga ngo yaguhaye nta bufasha ngo yaguhaye ngo atakohereje ngo kuri World Limit ngo cyangwa kuri Momo yo mu Rwanda. I don't get it. I personally don't get it because I don't think umufana akugomba amafaranga kugira ngo gusaba indirimbo.
No, kugira ngo ukore intuza kugira ngo uhange ibihangano kugira ngo ukore ibihangano byawe.
You don't need to beg for money.
Nobody owes you.
Nobody owes you anything
on the way there.
Niyo mura kubwiye ngo mbese udare kuduhereza imiziki. They're not forcing you to make music. Just tell them, oh, I'm kind of busy right now, but very soon I'll be working on something. That's it. But you don't need to be like, oh, why the hell are you asking me for a new song and you never gave me any money? You didn't give me any support. Why? So that's something I don't understand. I feel like some people ruin their own life for that, for thinking somebody else owe them something. So nobody owes you anything.
Ibyo ukora n'ibyo udakora byose
menya kwigira nuko azategereza ngo abandi bantu bazaza kugusavinga, you know what I'm saying? So that's something I learned. Njyewe ndamutse ngize n'ikibazo nkajya wenda no mu bitaro, I wouldn't be like, oh, ntabwo yamansuye, ntabwo bagize ute. Why would I ruin my life like that? I feel like it's ruining your life. I don't know. That's how I take it right now. You wouldn't make my heart feel pain, or I wouldn't be mad because of that.
Okay. I think akenshi niyo hari igihe uri kuvugana n'umuntu ukumva the biggest problem you bafite ari ibyo abandi babatekerezaho. Ibyo abandi batabahaye, ibyo abandi batabakoreye, ibyo abandi attention y'abandi batabahaye. And ugasanga those kind of thoughts take so much of their time or so much of the conversation you're having with them. Ukumva biri exhausting, ukibaza none se muri make why would they do that? N'igihe babikoze si uko ari wowe, ni ukubera ari bo ubwabo bashatse kubikora ibyo bintu. Ari ubufasha, ari amafaranga, ari ikiba abantu baguhaye, ari amagambo bakuvugishije, ari attention bagupenzeho, byose biterwa n'ubushake bw'ubwabo bwo bari bafite bwo gukora ibyo bintu.
I feel like mbere yuko utekereza ngo this person didn't do this for me, think about what you can do for yourself. Would you be mad umuntu wawe yakubwiye ngo happy birthday?
No.
Would that ibyo ngibyo byatuma umunsi wa birthday yawe uwo munsi uba ruined? Yes?
No. Ntabwo byambabaza.
So I feel like that's something I learned about myself. That's something to learn. It's not, you know.
Umaze kubyiga ibyo bintu byatumye ubu like
I became very peaceful. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I used to be that kind of person too, you know. Who would be bothered and I'm gonna go, wow, this person did not do this for me. This person did not post me on my birthday. Come on. This person did not. Okay. Right now, instead of thinking about what somebody else will do for me, I think about what I can do for myself.
Okay.
So it gave me peace of heart.
Anyways, nabyumvishije. Stop caring about what other people think so much. No. Anyway, yabivuze neza. Ndagira ngo ngushimire cyane kuba waje kunza ku ikiganiro cyacu, kwa duhaye ikiganiro. Kuba wemeye ugatanga umwanya kuri ino zuba saa sita z'amanywa ukavuga ati uyu mwanya ndawugeneye ntoza ikiganiro ndabigushimiye cyane. I'm so happy you're here.
Well, thanks for having me.
And I'm expecting another song.
Very soon.
Oh, wait,
let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
It's not the first time.
Nguwo ushaka gusanga n'ibyahindutse, you know. It might be even their song, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know izaba iri kuvuga ku biki. I don't know if it goes for, but I'm down.
Yeah,
For real.
me
For real.
too.
Because I love that one. Irandayikunda cyane. Till now. Yeah. It's nice. I like the video. There's this vlog that you made, but you know, I don't know. I can't get enough of it.
Yeah.
And I don't know. There's a part where your friend is talking in the background. You know.
It's a great
She's
time.
talking in the background, and it's kind of, I don't know. It's funny. I don't know. That's why it's called entertainment.
Yeah.
It's very entertaining.
It's entertaining.
Yeah.
No, every time you ndavuga ati ya.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very good.
No, njye nkunda ko byabaye. Twavuze dukora indirimbo aho ni mwandike ngo ufite beat ngo ngenda bafite. Mumpereze ntuze beat amagambo yose tuyashira aho ngaho.
And we started singing right away.
Yeah.
Playing the beat on the speaker. And then one Saturday we recorded the whole thing.
Yeah.
And then that's it. Video. One day.
One day.
And then that's it.
Yeah, that's
Release it.
Yeah, and then asigara gukora akazi kiwe.
Of course.
Yeah, tuhafite ibi.
Hey. Mwiza bapromisinze n'indirimbo. She better do it.
Bapromisinze indirimbo. No kubazanira ibindi biganiro byinshi. Thank you so much for coming. Of course, iyo waje uza wisanze.
Yeah.
N'ikindi gihe cyose uza no kujyana kuzagaruka mu gihe twagutumiye cyangwa wowe ukizana.
I mean, it's always a pleasure to be here, honestly, and
kandi n'indirimbo zawe nizisohoka zifite buno vuba. Be there. Turahari kusupport-inga. Niba ukeneye cameraman ahari. Ubona ntuza production yariyongereye.
Of course.
Production level yariyongereye. Dufite amamikoro, dufite n'udutara.
Wow.
You know. No gushaka amalocation.
And even better camera.
Better camera. Byose turabifite.
But now we're good. I feel like indirimbo tuzakora ubutaha izaba noneho. Very top quality. Next generation. You know.
Anyways, thank you so much for coming. Kubari kutureba niba ugesheje ahangaha, please subscribe, comment and give us a like. And ujye kugira gusura Micson kunuza kuri channel yiwe ni Micson official cyane Micson the Soldier.
Micson official kuri Instagram.
Yeah.
You can YouTube search for Micson the Soldier.
Yeah, Micson the Soldier kuri YouTube. I will have his link in the description down below. Ujye kureba indirimbo ziwe ukurikirane n'ibihanga byose ibihangano bye byose byazajya sohora. Mukomeze mugire ibihe byiza. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you so much.
Bye.